What's going on YouTube? This your boy The Vintage back on another video, man. Today, you already know what we're gonna be talking about. It is the Air Jordan 11 Low Snakeskin, man. The blue things. These things are very fire, man. I'm glad I was able to cop. As y'all know, I took an L when they first released, which was Friday. I was at work all day and I had things to do. And went down to Nuremberg. Y'all seen the vlog yesterday. If you have not checked that out, go check the vlog out, man. I say on more vlogs. Check out the vlog that dropped yesterday. Went to go pick these up, and I also picked up the Como Discorazon, like the OG pair. This one right here. I feel like this is the most classic one. This is the best one out of the whole Converse and CDG collection. But back to these, we're gonna do a quick review, and I'm gonna do a on feet for y'all. Y'all already know how I do it on feet. Y'all like the on feet, so I'm gonna keep giving them to y'all. But before we get into this video right now, what I need you to do, you already know, subscribe, ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video. Like the video. To go for every video is 100 likes. So right now, whatever you're doing, just click that like button, man. Also, follow me over on Instagram at DEVINTAGE. The link will always be in the description box below. I usually post more than I post on YouTube. So go follow me on Instagram. You might see what I'm doing on a daily basis or what shoes I picked up. Because some shoes that I do cop, I don't even show on YouTube. So if you want to see what I picked up, go follow me over on Instagram, man. Let's get right into this review, man. Let's get it. All right, first I want to talk about the box real quick. Let me get these shoes down real quick. And yeah, so as y'all know, it's a whole snakeskin feel, snakeskin vibe around it. So with the box, they gave us a snakeskin box. Kind of, you could feel where they wanted to make you think it was like a snakeskin feel, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like they executed that very well. They have the silver Jordan symbol right here. You know, usually with the Jordan 11s, we get the pull-out box besides the Concord 11s, which was really different, man. They gave us the OG box, the silver and black one. And here you have it right here. You got this kind of box, so it's pretty dope. Got these for 175 euro. Came up to like 205, I think, $205. And the size tag reads Air Jordan 11 Retro Low LE. Fish colorway is white, black, and navy. Got it in size 9. I always go true to size with my 11s, and I would recommend you to go true to size in your 11s as well, man. So here you have it. That's it with the box. Nothing in the inside. Got a stamp over here. Just the regular white paper and the receipt and stuff. Let's put this back over here. And back to these beauties, man. I did not try to match with it. This don't even match. So don't try to say I'm trying to match or anything like that, because I'm not. But here you have it. All blue upper, man. This one right here, the feel, the snakeskin feel of the whole wrap around the shoe is way different from the box. The box give you a little bit of something, but on this one, you actually get that snakeskin feel. Or what if you haven't even seen the snake before, you never felt a snake, this is probably what I would compare it to, man. This is very dope. Textured material, whatever it is. Of course, it's not snakeskin, but they try to give us that nice feel and the closest thing to it, man. And it looks very close to some goddamn snakeskin, man. Check it out right here, wrapped around the whole shoe in that blue and navy feel. It's kind of like some black in there, some dark navy, some light blue, and I feel like the colors was popping, man. This is like the perfect summer sneaker. You had to get this Jordan 11 for this summer, man. With the midsole, you got an all white midsole wrapping around the whole shoe. Outsole, icy blue. They've been killing it with icy blue. We've seen it on all the 11s so far, and I think we've seen it on a couple of the 6s, the infrared 6s. They throw it on them as well, and it's nice. I like the icy blue bottom. I hope they don't go back to the clear ones unless they give us like some. If they want to make it to where the original was, give it a special occasion, make it a limited, and then you could do it like that. But I would prefer the icy blue bottoms on all the sneakers this far, and hopefully they can get it to where they don't yellow, man. Let's keep these icy blue soles blue. That's what they made. That's what they was made for. Let's keep them blue. Let's see how we can fix that yellow, man. You got the navy blue pods right here, and you have a navy blue pod back here. Carbon fiber. You already know how it come. You got the Jordan symbol in the middle of the shoe with the upper, kind of a hard leather, I would say, but they throw it on the upper right here. It's not as soft as the Ceremony 11 lows. Those things will have some like tumbled leather on the upper, but you can see right here, it's kind of some cheap leather, but we don't get the shoe for the material, man. We get the shoe. I get them for the colorway and see if I can rock them, man. I like rocking all my sneakers, and this one right here, like I said, will go perfect in the summertime. Third lace holder, you get the Jordan right there. Check it out. So all the 11s come. You got no extra laces, just white laces, man. That would have been dope if they would have threw like some navy blue laces. I don't know, maybe that would have been too much, but I can see somebody doing it with some navy blue laces or something like that to make the shoe pop even more. On the back, you got the tooth right here, and it is, yes, embroidered on. It's not stitched in, but hey, you can't complain. This is how most of your 11s will come, embroidered on with the 2-3 on the back. And you got the little jump man right there, as you can see on the heel, man. So there you have it. On the insole, you have a black, I think it's a black insole. No, it's a navy blue insole with a white Jumpman in there, as you can see. And like I said, in Germany or in Europe in general, they give you that little sticker on the inside of the left shoe. I don't know, maybe it's like a quality controls thing, or I don't know. But they always throw them on all the sneakers that I have bought over here, man. Check out the other shoe real quick. Same as the other one. This one right here kind of got like a little crease in it. I don't know what that's about. But the shoe is pretty soft. It is pretty soft. And I think this is probably like one of the shoes that was on a display or something like that. Like I said, I don't know if these were sitting or selling out. That's why I titled the video, are they sitting or are they selling that? Because I really do not know. I know they was sitting on the sneakers app, I do believe, if I'm not mistaken. But I seen a lot of people like posting them and got them. I heard some people saying they took L's on them. But like I said, I had to add these to the collection, man. Very soft upper. Like I said, I'm saying that one more time. The upper is very plush. I don't know what's up with that. Very nice. You probably got to wear some sneaker shoes, something like that, because they would probably leave that crease in. Maybe I give y'all some B-roll of this crease right here. I don't know what that's from. I think you can kind of see it right there. But maybe get some sneaker shields just so we don't have to see no. I don't think that would look nice. Creases in the snakeskin, man. I don't know. But yeah, that is it for the review. We're going to get into this on feet. But before I get y'all to the on feet, I need y'all to subscribe. If you have not subscribed already, like the video if you got this far. Smash that thumbs up right now for your boy. Comment, let me know if you grabbed these Air Jordan 11 snakeskins. Let me know if you got it for under retail, for retail, if you had to pay resale. Just let me know anything in the comment section below, because I'm here for the conversation and engagement with my subscribers. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Follow me over on Instagram. Like I said, I post more on my Instagram than I do on YouTube. That's going to change very soon. So y'all go follow me over there. Link will be in the description box below. And stay tuned for the review and on feet over these. I'm going to give y'all, try to do a couple of new lace styles with these as well. And yeah, man. With all that being said, I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for the on feet, man. Let's get it.